What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. If this your first time here, man, I sincerely appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content, and last but not least, man, hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with me. And I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, getting right into it, man. Y'all saw the thumbnail. Y'all saw the caption. I know exactly why y'all here, man. I'm not going to keep y'all waiting. I got two Jordan 4s for y'all. One released on yesterday, October the 1st, and one releases later this month, man. Let's get into that first pair. Here we have like a new style, I would say, Jordan 4 box with a flight on it in red, all black box. Tag reads Air Jordan 4 SE, black, light steel gray, and white. This is a size 11, man. I haven't been able to find my personal pair just yet, but I definitely will be keeping a pair of these joints. Don't need that. We got the 2022 Air Jordan 4 Retro black canvas, man. Now right off the rip, man, this shoe is straight nice, man. As soon as you open the box, this is a really nice quality shoe. Just coming as a GR, no collab, no special edition, anything like that. But it's a really nice shoe, man. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I always had a big thing for black shoes. So this shoe is right up my alley, man. People calling these the budget Carhartts. They definitely have a lot of similarities, and a lot of the color blocking is the exact same as a Carhartt 4, man. So a lot of people who love that shoe and definitely just won't be able to afford it, with it being at $40,000, $50,000 just depending on the shoe. This is a good alternative for you. It's a really nice shoe, man. That canvas upper is gonna hold up really well. You get a lot of good wears out of it. Really neutral with the black and the gray. Only a slight hit of red on that tongue and a slight hit of red on the bottom. So it's really a solid black shoe with the gray and white. Really neutral that you can wear with anything, man. And like I said, man, it's really nice quality. It has that black canvas material all the way around on the uppers, and it has black suede going around that toe cap. Have hits of gray, white, and black on the midsole. And on the bottom, it's white, red, and black, man. This is a really clean shoe. Really clean shoe. I can't wait to get my personal pair and just put a couple of fits together. I know Jordan 4s have been going crazy, and they delayed these joints on the sneakers release. So the prices are really high up there. Even a lot of my local stores, they didn't really get any men's pairs. I know a couple of my local Foots did, but like a lot of the Shoe Palaces and JDs just didn't get their men's pairs in yet. Or if they did get their men's pairs, they didn't get all of them. So it's really tight out here on men's pairs, man. I've seen a really nice amount of GS, but you definitely can expect a whole lot of restocks coming this week and the following. But like I said with sneakers, man, this release happened on Saturday, April the 1st for most of the in-store places. But sneakers waited until like 8:41 my time, and the release was supposed to be at 9 a.m. and they pulled the release. So I figure if Nike is having a delay, definitely other stores will be having delays as well, man. So we'll see how this release goes, man. Hopefully I can grab a few more pairs through the sneakers release, man. I've been having like a little luck on there lately, just getting nothing crazy heat, but just GRs and stuff that I wasn't normally hitting before. I've been pretty lucky on there, man. So hopefully that luck continues. Like I said, these drop at 9 a.m. Central on October the 5th, man. So good luck if you weren't able to grab a pair of these, man. I do have a couple of men and GS sizes. So if you are looking, shoot me a DM. I may have it for you, bro. Just getting back into the shoe one more time. Has that great Jumpman on that back heel tab. Great Jumpman on the tongue with the red flight. Black canvas all the way around with the suede on the toe box, man. It's a really nice shoe. I know there's a lot of reviews out there, and a lot of people have been talking about this shoe for a while. Grade school prices are at the $230-ish range. Men's prices are right around $300, $325. You can expect prices to drop just a little bit once the sneakers pairs happen and other stores do their online releases. It'll drop a little, but since they were delayed and stores didn't get their shipments, you can expect a lot of first come, first serve. And you kind of know how that goes. The people are going to be circling the malls every day, and the people who have those relationships in stores are going to get those pairs. So this shoe probably will stay up there in price for a good while, and I expect it to rise after it takes a small dip from online pairs. It's definitely going to rise up quick with the holiday season coming, and just with it being a solid black shoe and a hot Jordan 4 right now, man. So y'all tell me what y'all think about these. Are you able to cop? Are you looking forward to the sneakers release on October the 5th, man? Y'all leave a comment down below. Let me know how y'all are feeling. Now let's get over to this next shoe. Now next up we have another Jordan 4 box. Navy blue with the gray speckles on it. Flight on the front in white and red. The tag reads Air Jordan 4 Retro, white and midnight navy. And there's been a lot of controversy surrounding this shoe and a couple of other Jordan models. And we're gonna get into that just briefly, man. But here we have the Air Jordan 4 Retro, midnight navy. Like I said, man, speaking of that controversy from earlier, man, a lot of people have been speculating this shoe, a bunch of Cherry 11s and even the Canvas 4s to be have been stolen off of the Nike trucks in Memphis and things like that. I just saw a pair pop up. One of my friends hit me, so I just wanted to grab a personal pair. So this is a size 12. I paid $275 for it, which I think is a pretty good price for an early pair. Someone I've been shopping with for a while, so maybe they just looked at, but they shot me a text, asked me if I want them. I was like, yeah, I definitely grab these joints, man. I like Jordan 4s, man. I like the white cement 4 a lot, and this is really very similar to a white cement 4, man. Let me grab that joint real quick. But like I said, man, on my left I have the midnight navy. On the right I have the white cement 4, and as you can see, man, the shoes are very, very, very similar. It's the exact same shoe. The grays are in the same spot. The speckles are in the same spot. The navy replaces the black. The only difference is the Jumpman on the back and the Nike Air on the back of the white cement 4s. But other than that, man, it's the same shoe. Exact same shoe, exact same colorway. I really like both shoes for sure. If I had to pick one, I'm definitely taking the OG white cement 4 just because it's black. It's a lot more neutral. But this shoe is very nice, man. Very, very, very nice. This shoe has a lot better quality leather on it than the 2016 white cement 4, so I wouldn't be mad at grabbing these either. Now, for those asking, is this midnight navy 4 a must grab? For me, I would say it is, just because I do like the original white cement 4 with the black in it. But honestly, is it a must grab? If you have military blacks and white Oreos and white cement 4s, you definitely don't need this shoe. But if you don't have any of those other shoes, or if you just love 4s flat out, this is definitely a must grab shoe, man. You can expect prices on these to be just similar to the military black 4s. They'll drop to around $280, $275 right before release, and gray school will be around $200, $215. But expect these to shoot up within like a month after release, man. These Jordan 4s with a pretty decent quality, with exception of the grade school military blacks. Pretty decent quality, man. Very hype shoes, very popular shoes right now. This is like the new, I guess you could say Jordan 1, or what the Yeezy used to be, or what the Dunk was maybe last year, 2 years ago. Everybody wants the Jordan 4s. And Jordan Brand's been coming out some pretty nice colorways. I'm not a huge fan of the Canyons, but this one, the black canvas, the green canvas, if they happen to drop those, Jordan Brand's gonna keep knocking it out the park with the Jordan 4s, man, especially with how hyped they are right now. But getting into the details of this shoe, it has that gray heel tab with the navy blue speckles on the back, navy blue Jumpman, all white on the side, man, just like a white cement 4. Those navy lace holes will be black on the white cement 4, navy on that midsole, navy, white, and gray. Exact same shoe, man. Exact same shoe. So if you love the black cement 4, you're gonna love this midnight navy. It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer for me. Definitely a cop. Only thing it's missing is the Nike Air on the back, which I like to see on the back of Jordan 4s and 3s. It just looks really, really, really good, but you're not gonna miss out on anything with these, man. But that just about wraps it up for this video, man. Just wanted to give y'all the in-hand review of the black canvas 4 and give you guys an early review of this midnight navy Jordan 4. Let me know which one you guys would prefer, man. Would you like the midnight navy joint dropping at the end of October? I believe October 29th as of now. Or would you like the black shoe, man? The solid, super neutral, everyday, easy wear with the black canvas 4, man. I don't think you can go wrong with either one. If you're looking for a daily, I would go black canvas. Not gonna get messed up at all with that material. But if you're looking for a clean shoe, similar to the white cement 4s with half the price tag maybe, definitely tap in with these midnight navy Jordan 4s, man. But like I said, it's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this one, man. For my people in Texas, for my sneaker show travelers, man, We will be at Dallas SneakerCon October 15th to 16th. Don't meet me there, beat me there. We'll be there both days. Me and my brother with Young Kings Clothing, man. We're going to have plenty of Dallas merch, plenty of kicks, plenty of everything for you guys. Y'all come through, shout with me, say what's up. Come get on the vlog. We're definitely going to be recording that day, man. Get in the video. I'll see y'all then in Dallas, man. Peace.